What if you hit a wall at the speed of sound? I'm not talking about a car accident, not even a plane crash. I mean you slamming into a wall at 1,250 kilometers per hour. Would you bounce off, explode into pieces? Or would something far more terrifying happen? In 2003, the MythBusters team didn't just wonder, they actually tested this. They strapped two jet-powered rockets onto a human-sized dummy and aimed it straight at a concrete wall. It was basically a human missile. The moment of truth came. The rockets fired, the dummy flew faster than most fighter jets, and when it hit the wall, boom! Nothing, not broken pieces, not scattered parts, it just vanished, like it had never even existed. The team was stunned. So they rolled back the footage, this time in ultra slow motion, and what they found is really scary, was way beyond what anyone expected. The dummy didn't break, didn't explode, it vaporized into fine dust, every part of it, reduced to particles floating in the air. It was like watching a soul disappear. So, what if that dummy was a real person? At that speed, your body doesn't break, it doesn't survive, you don't leave behind blood or bones. No scream, no moment, you become air, dust, like you were never even there. And if that's what happens at the speed of sound, what would happen at the speed of light?